In this video, we'll be showing you how to disable the OpenLiteSpeed setup wizard on a Digital Ocean Droplet. These settings will work on any of the OpenLiteSpeed marketplace images. However, we're going to be using the OpenLiteSpeed WordPress image, which we have here. If you go and look at the details of the image, you can see where the problem is. If you look in the Getting Started section, they have information on connecting to your droplet through SSH, which is what we want to do. But then it says an interactive script that will run when will first prompt you for a domain or subdomain. You could skip this script using Control-C and continue to SSH the machine, which is what we have done. And from that point, we went and set up our machine the way we like it. The problem comes in when the prompt will open again the next time you log in, and will continue to do so until you finish the whole setup. This is an issue for us because that means that even though our machine is set up, the setup script is still going to run every time we log in. So let's go ahead and SSH into our machine, and we'll see how to actually disable this. So we're going to SSH into our machine here. And yep, as you can see, the setup script ran again, and it is asking us for our domain. And this will happen every time we SSH into the machine. So what we want to do is we'll go ahead and press Control-C to get out of the setup script. And now most people would think that this script is being run through your bash RC file. But if you go and actually look through your bash RC, there is no reference to any of the LiteSpeed scripts or setup scripts here. So the next place you would like to look is going to be in the profile, which is located in the etc/profile. Here you will see at the very bottom of the script, there's this command to run the domain setup script. What you want to do is first just comment it out or remove it completely. Then go ahead and save and exit. And now, if you exit out of your SSH session into your web server and then reconnect, we shouldn't see that startup script run again. And there we go. We don't have our startup script. We can just SSH in like normal. And that's it. I hope that's helpful for everyone like me who has run into this issue.